Okay, so welcome Lata ji.
Yes.
Um, this is my first interview which I am taking of my student. बट बहुत लोग वेट लॉस प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन करते हैं, योगा क्लास ज्वाइन करते हैं, पर बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो कंसिस्टेंसी रखते हैं. दे आर मोर कमिटेड, दे आर मोर डिसिप्लिन. सो लता जी इज वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट हु हैज लिटरली अमेज्ड मी बाय हर कमिटमेंट एंड डिसिप्लिन. ओके, सो लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस लता जी फर्स्ट. लता शेट्टी जी हमारे साथ है आज, और उनका मैं इंट्रोडक्शन अगर दूं तो 36 ईयर से वो बीएमसी हॉस्पिटल्स में रिटायर्ड नर्स है. 36 ईयर्स सर्विस उन्होंने किया है एज अ नर्स, एंड शी हैज डन वेरी नाइस जॉब इन हर प्रोफेशनल करियर एज वेल. So she has more experience in medical field. Okay, and now she has recently joined this weight loss program. और नाउ लेट अस आस्क फ्यू क्वेश्चंस टू यू. फिर हम लोग थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन भी करेंगे, बात करेंगे, क्योंकि लोगों को ऐसे लगता है कि वेट लॉस तो बहुत जगह पे बहुत अलग अलग तरीकों से करवाते हैं, बट कौन सा तरीका सेफ है, इज इट प्रैक्टिकली फिजिबल और नॉट, ऐसे बहुत सारे सवाल लोगों के मन में होते हैं. सो
See,
या तो मैं लता जी को पहला क्वेश्चन अपना पूछूंगी कि आपने वेट लॉस करने के लिए इसके पहले क्या ट्राई किया था.
I joined one of the private weight loss. जो उसमें exercise and all, it was not there. खाली she was telling walking and breakfast में smoothie. फिर then
So
it
what
was very big.
what were your health conditions before this?
Before this, I had, when I was doing duty that time, I never had anything. But before retiring, I had that arthritis. It is very painful. Knees में, back में. I used to get always pain, not to sleep. बहुत तकलीफ होती थी. तो मैं बोला अभी कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. तो I came to know about you. So I only asked you. I will really reduce my weight or what? I want to reduce my weight. So you told you just join and see. You will really reduce. So I just want to know, I just want to tell, I joined, but I'm so happy. Within 1 week only, my 1 kg reduced.
Superb, superb. Yeah, yeah. But when you joined this program, what were the challenges for you? Like, did
Yeah.
you find it very, the techniques
Nine.
which were taken in the program, were those very
Starting,
difficult or
yeah,
easy
yeah.
for you?
Starting, it was, but I gave my 100. Starting, it was difficult. I was getting backache and all, but I told if I will not do, I can't, because कुछ तो भी करना है, अपना 100% तो देना है. अगर 100% हम नहीं देंगे तो रिजल्ट कैसा मिलेगा. तो what all Anita ji used to tell me from morning to night, and she used to come online. She was taking that all workout. So every workout, so any, it was Surya Namaskar or any uh, yoga, everything I did. But it was challenge for me also. I want to do so much because my age factor was 61. So I thought I will do, but I did. I did give my 100% 1 hour, and I reduced 6 kg, and even inches also I reduced one.
Oh, wow.
Many people are asking me.
So now in how much, like what is the time duration in which you lost 6 kgs? So I think more than 4 weeks, 2 weeks.
Yeah, within 4 weeks, no one will tell us that we are reducing 6 kg. Really, Anita ji का इसमें 1 month में I reduce 6 kg. I am really healthy, no pain. My arthritis has gone. See, arthritis को हमेशा, अभी ठंडी में तो कितना पेन होता है, बट अभी मेरे ठंडी में थोड़ा भी पेन नहीं है.
Wow.
So really, I'm thankful to you,
No,
Nitu.
that's all. That's all. So Lataji, my next question is that in how many days you lost your weight? So what is your total weight loss in kgs and inch loss? In how many
अभी
days? Total days.
my weight was 74 kg. 74.5 like that. Now I am 68. म्हणजे 7 kg तक होने को आया. So मेरे को 60 करना है.
So
So
you
I am,
lost 7 kg in
yes,
how many days?
1.5 month.
1.5 months you lost 7 kgs.
Yes.
And inch loss
Inch loss, more than 1.5 inch loss हो गया है.
overall,
अभी,
belly,
yes, yes,
arm
yes.
fat.
Waist, arm, uh, lower waist,
Yeah,
everything.
very
All
nice.
inch lost.
Very nice, very nice.
अभी मुझे
Okay. Yeah, yeah. And now next question is, other than weight loss, what were the changes in your body you felt?
my face, many glowing face I got. My hair तो
Ah,
मेरा एकदम, हेयर लॉस तो होता था हमेशा, बट अभी कुछ भी नहीं होता है. मेरा हेयर देखो एक भी वाइट नहीं है, पहला से तो नहीं है, अभी भी नहीं हूँ. एज फैक्टर भी है, मैं तो कुछ डाई नहीं करती हूँ, ब्लैक इट.
wow, that's amazing.
या माय स्किन इज ग्लोइंग. एट दिस एज स्किन इज ग्लोइंग मीन्स सो नाइस.
So your skin is glowing, hair fall has reduced.
Yes,
Yeah,
this all thing. And my all joint pain I was getting, no, that is gone. That is really important. See, after taking so much medicine, after taking so much, I was just thoda disturbed hi thi. I used to not get sleep, but now I am getting good sleep, no tension.
so you had this pain last 4 years, I think.
Yes, since 4 years I'm suffering. I was suffering.
Oh God, yeah,
Now I don't have that much problem.
very nice. So now you are taking no
Fit.
medicine for arthritis,
Now nothing, no medicine.
no medicine for arthritis.
See, daily I sleep like that only. And many things what Anita ji told that I'm doing, I follow that 100%. If she told many things to do, that I am doing since morning, getting up and doing everything till night. So from that I got a good result. That
Very
is very
nice.
important. For
Yes.
that you have to join weight loss program. That I can't tell you what all is there in that.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, very nice, very nice. I'm so happy. Okay, so my last question, it is not a question, but I would like to convey some message from your side to others, whoever, to the viewers. What is your message to others? All.
See, I feel, see, everyone, each and everyone in this planet first should be happy. When we are happy, life is having, see, ups and downs. In life, we have so many health issues. So I feel we should take care. No one will come and tell, अरे तुझे करना है. खुद को एक commitment लेना है हमको, that you have to do this. But you have to do this 100% and you have to take the commitment. And I took that commitment to do this program. So I want each and everyone should do. देखो हम कुछ मेडिसिन लेते हैं तो उसके पीछे भी कुछ साइड इफेक्ट्स रहता है. तो हमको लगता है मेडिसिन से हम शांत, थोड़ा पेन रिलीव होता है, बट थोड़ा देर के बाद वही पेन हमको दूसरा दिन 2-3 दिन के बाद होता है. तो उससे कुछ रिकवर नहीं होता है. बट ये जो वेट लॉस एंड डेली डूइंग वर्कआउट, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड दैट इन वेट लॉस वी हैव डिटॉक्स टेक्निक एंड दैट ऑल वी शुड डू. This all was I was not knowing, but I learned from her class only. Anita ji, I prefer everyone should do this. No age limit. Since after what age she will prefer, that is I took at the age of 61.
You are the ideal person for
Yeah.
other that after 60 plus also people are scared to do weight loss
Yeah.
program like I'm 60 plus, how can I do it? But you are the ideal example for others. So there is no age limit to do this. Nice,
So
nice.
my message is that everyone should do this to get best health and to be happy, smile, into
Very nice.
that much.
Very nice. Thank you so much, Lataji, for joining us. And I would like to repeat this once again. The commitment, the consistency Lataji had was really, amazing. I used to get surprised, like a person who is committed can do anything, can achieve anything in the life. So from the message from Lataji is you have to be committed and consistent. Then you
Yes,
will achieve any result in the life.
any goal, yeah.
Okay, yes. Thank you so
Thank
much, Lataji,
thank
for
you,
joining.
Neetaji.
Yes.